My name's Warren Heath, Heath Engineering. We're here today at the Festival of Speed at Goodwood House, and we're here to celebrate Colin McRae's 30th year of winning the World Rally Championship. These cars I actually worked on back in the day. I was an engine builder for the team, became an engine engineer a bit later on, but these were cars that I lived with for the whole year, for the whole season. We did 200 days away most years, and you get to feel what they're thinking almost. You can smell them, you know exactly what's going on. Sometimes you can hear it, sometimes you can just feel it. So it's really amazing to be right next to them today. Subaru is a very strong brand in automotive manufacturing. It's remained true to its roots right through the whole time it's existed, even to current times. So it started off as a fairly small manufacturer, and it grew into this area of World Rally, and that set it on the map and formed part of the reason it is what it is today. Subaru were a huge part of the formation of my career. Took me on World Rally Championships. We had a great deal of success. We had at least one manufacturer's title and drivers' championships as well. There's lots of old hands still around. Most of them should have retired by now, but some of us are still going. And it's a testament to the cars that the love for them is still there. One of the guys has actually even got a 555 World Rally car tattoo. It's also great to see Subaru so well represented at a world-class event such as Goodwood Festival of Speed as well. I think it's really important they're here, and it's excellent to see some of their new cars here as well on display. They've obviously put a lot of work into it this year.